How to add Klarna to Shopify. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add Klarna to your Shopify stores so your customers can pay in flexible installments. Klarna is one of the most popular buy now pay later services, and offering it can help increase your conversion rate and average order value because shoppers feel more comfortable making larger purchases when they can split the payments. So to start, simply come over to your Shopify dashboard as so, and from here simply go over to your apps. Now once you've come over to your apps, simply hover over to the Shopify App Store, and once we are going to be over here, what you're going to want to do is simply come to search apps and guides, and here you're going to be searching up Klarna. Now once you search up Klarna, go over to the Klarna app, and from here simply download Klarna, and that is how you're going to be able to download it with your store. Now in the case it does say it isn't compatible with your store, that could be the case that your country is not compatible. So simply switch your country in your Shopify and you should be good to go. So that is how you're going to be adding Klarna to Shopify. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.